Hello, another week of reno journey. Okay, so very quick update. Since the plumber is already started to work, so the shower head is up, and a few more accessories to be done. Maybe after lunchtime. Okay, and yeah, same for the master bathroom. Okay, the shower head is up. We got it from Easy Buy, and finally, after some delay, our toilet bowl have arrived today, and I just made a trip down today to check it out. Yeah, we got a Tiara 918. We got a good deal from Reno Essential. Okay, we'll put in the link later for 300 plus tornado flush. Yep, all good. So there was an issue about the bomb shelter in my last video. So what our ID kindly did is to kind of extend this portion up using the existing kitchen floor tiles, which is a walnut in nature. So in a way, from here we have to hack it rather than laying a vinyl over it. And the rest of the living room, we will lay the vinyl flooring as per usual. Okay, just a short update. Thank you.